Banarasee pure handloom katan by katan rangkart sari, silk mark certified, beautifully weaved with multi colors. Very beautiful sari with the bridal colors used. Perfect for bride's mother or bride. This is pallu and blouse piece is always plain with border in this sari. This is silk mark certification. Banarasee pure handloom katan by katan rangkart sari, silk mark certified, weaved with beautiful colors. The deep shades are used. This is a deep shade sari with the beautiful intricately weaved pallu and blouse piece is always plain with border in these sarees. These are ready to ship. Banarasee pure handloom katan by katan silk mark certified. This is a rangkart sari, very beautiful pastel shade in turquoise green color, greenish blue you can say. A very subtle, very smart shade, soothing shade with the very soothing shades. Medium shades are used by rangkart, and this is the pallu. Blouse piece is always plain with border in these sarees. This is the look of the sari. A very beautiful katan rangkart sari, silk mark certified, ready to ship today. The beautiful shades, a very subtle and smart shades of rangkart with a new design. The pallu is excellent, a very intricately weaved pallu with the blouse piece plain with border. It's the whole look of the sari, silk mark certified, 100% pure. Banarasee pure handloom katan by katan silk rangkart sari, silk mark certified, 100% pure. Beautiful colors are used with the intricately weaved pallu and blouse piece is always plain with border in these sarees. This is the look of the sari. Banarasee pure handloom katan by katan handloom sari, silk mark certified, 100% pure. The beautiful shades, magenta, then rani pink, orange and mustard yellow. The color combination is very beautiful with the base of the sari is red. This is the palla. Blouse piece is plain with border. Upper and lower both sides the same border with the meenakari motifs. 100% pure Banarasee rangkart.